How to use if-else conditions in robot framework? Let's find out. If. This task compares apples to oranges using the if construct in robot framework. The if construct starts with the if and ends with end. If is followed by a condition. The condition is a Python expression. In this case, the condition is apples equals oranges. The condition compares two strings, apples and oranges. The double equals operator is used to compare the equality of two objects. In this case, if the condition is true, it returns a boolean true. Otherwise, the condition returns a boolean false, meaning not true. If the condition is true, the execution continues inside the if construct body. Here, if apples would equal oranges, we would log apples are oranges. Since that is not true, the execution will skip over the if construct body and nothing is logged. If else. This task uses the else construct to execute logic in case the if condition is not true. The execution continues inside the body of the else construct only if the if condition is not true. Since apples are not oranges, this task will log apples are not oranges. If we change the if condition so that it is true, the execution continues inside the if construct body. The execution will not continue inside the else construct body since the if condition was true. If else if. This task uses the else if construct to add a different condition. If the if condition is false, the execution will evaluate the else if condition. If the else if condition is true, the execution will continue inside the else if construct body. In this case, the if condition is false and the else if condition is true. The task will log apples are apples. Variables in conditions. We learned how to use literal strings such as apples and oranges in the if condition. Let's see how to use variables in the condition. Here we use variables in the if condition. Before the condition is evaluated, Robot Framework will replace the variables with their values. In this case, the fruits variable is replaced with apples and other fruits with oranges. Note that we use quotes around the variables since we are comparing strings. The if condition is a Python expression, and in Python we use quotes with strings. If we forget to use the quotes, the task will fail. Comparison operators. So far, we have used only the equals comparison operator. Python has many more comparison operators available. Not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to,